All right, so you'd asked about creating viral social media posts and how do we do that? I've got a challenge coming up here soon where I'm going to teach you even some advanced techniques, but let me show you some of the basics today. It's really amazingly simple. So I want to start in Perplexity, and I want to start by asking Perplexity very simply. I want to create a list of characteristics for viral social media posts. Please research the most viral posts you can identify and create a checklist of characteristics for my writing team to follow to create viral social media posts. Real simple. Now, why am I asking Perplexity? Because Perplexity is going to go out and do this live. I could ask ChatGPT and it's going to do good, but it's going to be based on its memory, which has a cutoff in 2023. I could ask Claude to do it. It's going to do good, but it's going to, again, have a cutoff based in 2024. I want it to go out and search and find this. And so this is the absolute, in my mind, best way to do that right now. So we can see we're coming up with some great ideas here. And just like that, we're going to copy this. Now what we're going to do is now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go over into Claude or ChatGPT. It doesn't really matter which. We'll go to Chat in this case. I know it's what most everybody's familiar with. There we go. And so now I want to tell it, I want to create viral social media posts. This is a list of viral post characteristics that I've compiled. Please review and let me know if you would add anything to this list in order to empower my writing team to consistently produce viral social posts by following these, or by creating posts with these characteristics. And I'm going to just paste them in. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the citations here. Actually, I'll leave them. That's fine. No big deal. So let's see. So ChatGPT is nice to us. It thinks our list is comprehensive and well thought out. There are a few additional points. So these things, engagement metrics, that's not something we can really do when we're creating a post, so that's not going to be good. But the narrative elements, the interactive content, the memes, the SEO hashtags, those could be. So I'm only interested in items and characteristics that I can use when initially writing a social post. Please update your recommendations accordingly. Still thinks we should do engagement metrics, which again isn't, oh, okay, it wants us to ask for like shares. That's okay, we can do that. So start with a hook, that's all good. All right, so based upon my original list and your recommendations, please provide me with a comprehensive checklist and now it's going to go ahead and give us the entire thing. And we're almost ready to write, but you may go, Jonathan, this is crazy. Why are we doing this? Shouldn't ChatGPT know? It may, but the better instructions we give it, the better results we're going to get. So this is going to be super helpful. Let's see if it finishes. There we go. And now we're going to go one step further, and I'm going to share this with you guys. While it's finishing up, I'm going to go grab one of my prompts here real quick. There we go. Using the perfect prompting framework, which I give it right there. Please create a prompt with variables that I can use combined and say incorporating the elements above or characteristics above. Keep the same word. That will allow me to create not allow ChatGPT. By the way, when you're dealing with ChatGPT, I find it works best just to refer to AI as ChatGPT to create a viral social media post for me. All right, you make it why the perfect prompting framework? Because it works, plain and simple. It works. So let's see what it says here. You're a social media marketing expert. You're an experienced, we did it there again, deep understanding, blah, 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 blah. We're giving it the time. There it is. There's all of the key elements that we want to come through. Doing good. Please ask me any clarifying questions. Perfect. So let's go ahead and take this prompt. It starts right there. Let's go ahead and create a new chat. Paste in. So make sure you're an expert. Ask my question. We don't need that part. We can get rid of that real quick. Let's see what else we've got in here. Lots of stuff. All right, so all the way to the end. Now we have some variables we have to fix though. So let's go ahead and fix those. So first variables, create a viral social media post for topic or campaign. So in this case, I'm going to do for the replay access to my self-scribe challenge that just finished up with rave reviews from everyone who attended. Emotional impact. Evoke such as the emotional impact I want is FOMO. I want fear of missing out. Visual appeal. Use high quality images. I'm not going to do that at all, so I'm going to remove that one. Relatability. Address common experiences and challenges relevant to who's my target audience. We're going to say business owners and entrepreneurs. Sharability. Include a clear reason for people to share. Offer a new perspective or twist on personalizing and training ChatGPT to write like you. Provide practical value such as tips and say a mega prompt to interview you and create your own personalized prompt snippet. There we go. Brevity, keep the message clear and concise. Align. I think that's everything. Yep, so here we go. Drum roll, please. Let's see what we get. Missed out, don't sweat it. Replay access is now available for our exclusive self-scribe challenge. Entrepreneurs and business owners, do you ever feel like your message gets lost in the noise? Struggle to make your brand voice truly yours? Well, you're not alone, and we've got something just for you. Rave reviews are pouring in. Everyone who attended our latest self-scribe challenge can't stop talking about it. But don't just take our word for it. Experience the magic yourself. Practical mega prompt, insider tips, exclusive access. Feeling that FOMO yet? Don't be the one who missed out on this game changer. Secure your spot now and transform the way you communicate. Not bad. Not bad at all. I think this will give you guys a great example. There's the link it wants me to throw in, and then it asks on a poll or a tag influencers, special shout outs, and some obviously hashtags that we can put in. So you guys had asked, how do I create that viral social media post? That's the process I go through. You guys can go ahead and copy this directly. You can grab any aspects of this that you need. Hopefully this will give you everything you're looking for. With that, if it doesn't, ask me, and make it a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.